If you need to split cells in LibreOffice Writer, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact steps to divide one cell into multiple cells inside an existing table, so you can organize your content more cleanly and keep your document looking professional. This is really useful when you need more columns or rows in just one part of a table without rebuilding everything from scratch. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. All right, let's get started. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. Once it loads, open the existing document that contains the table you want to edit. It's important to open the document that already has the table in it, because the split cells option only works when you're working directly inside a table. If you're starting from a blank page, you can create a table first, but for this tutorial, we're using an existing one. Now find the cell you want to split and click directly inside it. Make sure the cell is active because LibreOffice needs to know exactly which cell you want to divide. You can place your cursor anywhere inside that cell. Once the cursor is there, look up at the top menu bar. Next, click Table in the top menu. This opens the table options for the selected cell and lets you make changes to the structure of your table. From that menu, click Split Cells. This is the command that will divide the selected cell into smaller cells. After you click Split Cells, a dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose how many columns or rows you want to split the cell into. If you want the cell to become side-by-side sections, enter the number of columns. If you want it divided vertically, enter the number of rows. Choose the option that fits your layout best. Once you've entered the number you want, click OK. LibreOffice Writer will immediately split the selected cell into multiple cells based on your settings. You'll see the cell divided right away, and you can start typing into each new cell separately. That makes it much easier to organize data, labels, notes, or any kind of formatted content inside your table. If the result doesn't look the way you expected, don't worry. You can always undo the action and try again with a different number of rows or columns. The key is to click in the correct cell first, then use Table, then Split Cells, and finally confirm the layout you want. So just to recap, open LibreOffice, open your document, click inside the cell, go to Table, choose Split Cells, enter the number of rows or columns, and click OK. That's all it takes to split a cell in LibreOffice Writer. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.